Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naomi and this is my husband.
Hey guys, I'm Billy, aka the husband.
Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be making some holiday drinks and we're also going to be doing the couples tags. So I'm going to be asking us some questions that I haven't really looked at. And we're going to be giving you guys some holiday recipes.
Let's go. Alright, so my favorite drink is the Moscow Mule. So Naomi decided to craft up a recipe with cranberries to include it into a little bit more of a holiday festive fun. So we're going to be having a cranberry mule today.
So we don't have exact recipes, like we're not doing measurements or anything. We don't really know what we're doing.
We're going to start off with a splash of cranberry. For any of my friends that are bartenders, please do not criticize any of these pours. We're going to put in approximately a shot of vodka, probably way over a shot. Of course.
Why am I making my own too?
Oh, I mean, I guess so. I guess I don't want to drink alone. The famous Cock and Bowl. There is no other brand of ginger beer I'd go with other than Cock and Bowl. We've tried them all, not nearly as good. So of course, kind of top that off. I like to put about 7 or 8 of these guys in there. You know, I thought initially that we should put these in the fridge so they can kind of thaw a little bit first. They thaw in the drink and adds a nice little flavor in there and makes it look awesome as well. Especially when you're posting on your Instagram story. It looks festive, it looks holiday. All right, and then, of course, if you've ever made a Moscow Mule, you need a lime as well. So we'll go and squeeze one of these bad boys in there, or a half into each. You know, once again, if I had my normal devices, I would have probably gotten a lot more lime out of here. And then, got a little festive rosemary in here to top it off. Oh yeah, not the lime. All right, so we got the rosemary in there. Cheers.
Cheers. I was trying to see if it was good first.
Of course it's good. It's your recipe.
Alright, so we're gonna ask each other questions, or I'm gonna ask us questions, I guess. What was our first date? Do you remember?
Well,
Our first official date.
first official date was their favorite restaurant, Raw Sushi. So
Yes.
the legendary Raw Sushi.
We still go there all the time. We love their food there.
Great service, consistent food,
Yeah.
great atmosphere.
That was our first official
First
date
official
that
date,
we had, yeah. What was your first impression of me?
Well, I already knew you before I technically first met you, or I had seen you. So, technically, because I had seen you at the gym, because we were at the same gym, or well, she was, you know, she'd work out in front of me. So I seen her all the time, so obviously I thought she was beautiful. I was extremely attracted to her. So I guess if you ask me what my first thought is, since I didn't actually meet you,
Yeah.
it was a external, impression.
Yeah.
So of course, your beauty, your eyes.
Cute. I noticed your beauty too.
Oh, muscles.
That was also my first impression, just tall.
Tall,
I
okay.
was like, that guy's tall.
So not so much good looking, just tall.
It was kind of hard to see your face because you were like up there. You
Because I was so tall.
Yeah. When did you meet my family? I don't remember.
I don't think I went in and met your family, but I did meet Luli. I mean, obviously that summer, we went to the fair. I think I met your mom though. I think I did meet your mom, but I just met your mom that day. Yeah, and then I guess it would have been probably like your mom and dad's, or your dad's birthday, because Claire, you and I were in Vegas for Claire's birthday. I mean, obviously I met Claire right away, so I met your sister, one of your sisters right away.
She was with me when we met. So.
Yeah. But then, yeah, I think it probably would have been like one of those, like probably right afterwards would have been like your dad's birthday, or somewhere in Thanksgiving, Christmas time.
Yeah.
When we first started
I
dating.
can't remember much, but somewhere around that time. Who said I love you first? See if he remembers this.
I think I did.
No, it was me.
Okay, apparently I'm wrong.
I said it first.
I don't know. I think she's wrong there, but
Weird habit of each other.
weird habit that each of us have.
Yeah. I don't know what weird means. Like, is it like a bad thing or a good thing? It's just odd. Like what? This could be anything, I guess. It could be something bad, I guess.
That you wake up later than I every day. So that's weird to me.
I guess that's a weird habit.
Yeah, right? Maybe that's odd to you, right?
Yeah, I guess so. Leaving your shoes in random places, I guess.
Oh, so we're going to habits like that.
Yeah.
Okay, dirty dishes everywhere then, girl, alright?
What do I often do in my free time?
Other like, social media, watching TV, The Office in particular. Other than doing makeup, they're doing more makeup.
We were just
Go to your
talking
mom.
about this yesterday.
Go to your moms.
We don't really have like hobbies or anything. Like our jobs are our hobbies basically. So.
We live our lives through our careers.
Yeah, we don't really have like random stuff that we do when we're not working besides like going to the gym or something.
I'd say regularly you go to your mom's a lot.
Yeah.
You see family. For
Yeah,
you,
my
it's a
family,
lot of family stuff. What about me? What do I do in my downtime?
Oh, you don't. I feel like you don't really have to. 'Cause
All I do is work.
all he does is work, and he loves work. So even like I said, his hobbies are work related somehow. And I guess like our trip, we did your goal planning.
Yeah.
So he does that, and we actually kind of do the board stuff a lot too. Like,
Personal development
last time we
stuff,
had
yeah.
like a day off, we did like a board too. What was our first road trip? Vegas probably.
No. Maybe? Yeah, no. No, I mean, technically, it would have been a bodybuilding show.
I guess I would consider it.
Mm,
But I mean, I feel like Vegas would have been more of a road trip.
Yeah, technically, yeah, I would say. Oh, yeah, we did drive that one too.
Yeah,
that was the last time we went to Vegas.
ride.
But yeah, so Vegas had been the first one. So Olympia, 7 years ago? 6 years ago? 2014, yeah.
Alright, we're gonna move on and do the next drink that I'm gonna make. We're gonna put some lime on the rim. And then I put a little sugar on the tiny plate and we're just gonna roll it around. Then we're gonna squeeze in 1 lime.
2 halves. Preventing confusion.
Then we're gonna add triple sec, which we still don't know what this is, but it said it on the recipe, so just got it. And I don't know how much I'm gonna put. It's like half a cup, probably.
Probably less than that much. Jesus.
It's kind of a lot. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can.
I'm a little less than her.
You need more.
We'll pick that out in a little bit.
Then you're gonna do
I'll do extra of that.
1 shot of tequila. This one is, it's a tequila liqueur, so it's a little bit sweeter than regular tequila. Just 1 shot. Just kidding.
Just 1 small pour.
Oh my god!
Hey, I gotta make up.
That's way more than.
I told you I gotta make up the difference.
It's somewhere right here. And then we're gonna put a little bit of agave syrup to sweeten it a little bit.
Little splasharoo.
You're technically supposed to put this in another cup and then shake it and then pour it on the glass, but. And then we're gonna add ice. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you like it so far. And we're gonna add a splash of cranberry juice. Here's this all tequila.
Hey, but it looks the same, right?
Kind of. I feel like mine needs a little more cranberry juice. Then we're gonna add
Love the look of the separation.
a little bit of mint and some cranberries.
So now you can look like a professional bartender at your next family holiday event.
With our very professional drinks. Cheers.
Cheers. Woo!
Yours has gotta be strong.
Strong.
She's like 3 shots of tequila. What do you think I'm not good at?
Woo!
Getting a little too serious.
Making drinks. No, What are you not good at? Parallel parking.
I really am not good at parallel
The
parking.
worst.
At
The worst.
I don't know how I
Like
survived in San Francisco.
It's not even remotely close to anybody you know. I'll put money on it. It's not as bad as her.
Let's see, what are you not good at? Let me see.
How long y'all got to wait? It's gonna be a long YouTube video.
Let me try not to put an offensive one in. Answering text messages.
Answer text messages.
He has like 5,000 unread text messages.
See, even our daughter agrees.
What am I good at? What am I really good at?
What is she really good at? Being an amazing wife and supporter and family member. Because even my family loves her, and she just makes everybody feel a part of her community, her family. Mine better be as good as that.
Oh man. You're good at a lot of things. You're good at being supportive because you're always
Can't call me nice.
supporting my crazy ideas. And you're really good at not quitting, basically.
Even when I probably should quit.
Even when he should quit, he doesn't. Favorite feature about each other?
You're sweet, actually.
It's not a feature.
Your smile. I don't think you smile enough.
My smile is my favorite thing about me. Oh, your favorite thing about me?
I mean, feature, does that mean physical?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
what's your favorite feature?
Yeah, I think you smile, but
I didn't know that.
unfortunately, you don't post that many photos of yourself smiling, and I think that's doing a disservice to the world.
I didn't know that was your favorite feature about me. My favorite feature about you, I think you know this, is your shoulders. I love his arms and just.
Back in the
this
day,
part
they were
is my
real
favorite.
shoulders.
What did we argue about the most?
We working too much.
That really is our main argument. Something that has to do with work all the
It's
time.
probably the quickest answer that
And it's funny though because like this has been the same argument since day one and we still argue about it.
I still work just as much.
Nicknames we have for each other. We don't really have nicknames besides Babe.
Our animals, we have a lot of nicknames.
Yeah. I call him Sir sometimes.
Lourdes. You know that's her real name.
Stop! It's a
Oh,
secret.
whoa! Don't bring your husband on if you don't want the secret to be leaked.
So what's our favorite food? So what's your favorite? What do you think my favorite food is, and what do I think your favorite food is?
Okay, my favorite food?
What's my favorite food? You tell them
Ramen.
what's my favorite food.
Ramen or some sort of noodle.
It's funny because I don't even eat ramen that often, but if I had a choice to like eat
Always.
one thing for the rest of my life, it would be ramen. Vegetarian ramen. I'm not vegetarian, but I like vegetarian ramen. And then his favorite food, I would say, is In-N-Out.
No. It's Go Fresh. It's Go Fresh.
Oh.
And then a close second of In-N-Out. No, she was right. It's In-N-Out. I love In-N-Out. I would rather be the thing I could eat the rest of my life. Now, Go Fresh, because of our monthly changing menu, I would enjoy that the rest of my life.
And that is our segue to announcing our sponsor for this video, Go Fresh. No, just kidding. Wait, so is In-N-Out your favorite food or no?
Yeah, I'd say it's probably my favorite.
Like if you could eat one thing for the rest of your life, it'd be In-N-Out.
Well, I mean,
Or just be a
if there was one option,
Yeah, just one option.
I mean, I think I would die because of the amount of beef. But if there was one option, yes, In-N-Out.
Okay, so we got it right. Alright guys, so for our last question, I guess it's not really a question, but we're just gonna talk about our Christmas traditions. We're gonna let you guys know what we do, basically.
Yeah, so basically every year, our family is really big. My family just doesn't care about holidays.
Don't say that.
No, they really don't. I mean, you know, it's never been like a highly prioritized thing for us. And so while my sisters, like they do it with their families, you know, one sister's on the East Coast, one sister's up in the Bay Area, my mom, not by herself, but you know, kind of, we do end up doing something, but because of Corona, unfortunately, you know, we don't really have our normal staple events that we used to do. So actually just gonna hang out with my mom one day and Naomi and I will go see her, but we won't be meeting up with our whole family, unfortunately. But Christmas Eve is a huge deal for our family.
Yeah, my mom loves Christmas. Like, it's a whole big thing, and we do it for like the whole day, basically. We have to go over and just hang out, play games, eat a bunch of Mexican food,
All types of food, not just Mexican food.
open our presents, and that's basically Christmas Eve.
Yep.
And then Christmas Day, that's when we actually hang out. We just stay at home, bake breakfast, hang out with our pets.
It's normally been kind of our day, but you know, Corona kind of also ruined our normal plans. We've traditionally gone to the movie theaters, which who knows, with Corona, we'll be able to do that again.
Yeah.
But hopefully we can get back to it. So we'll hopefully be able to watch some sort of Christmas movie or some sort of movie that day to enjoy and kind of keep it somewhat of a tradition of seeing some sort of new movie.
Alright guys, that is it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you're interested in watching more videos like this. You want to let them know your socials so they can follow you on there.
Go follow me, Billy_GoFresh on pretty much everything.
Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.